For a secure online shopping experience, it's always important to consider a few key points. Don't open any link which is sent by an unknown person. Even if it's a friends and family, just make sure the website is legitimate. And as we all know, the HTTPS, which is secured one, and we can check the secured icon in the left top corner. So use all these basic informations to check whether it's a legitimate website or not. Whenever the biggest sale of India comes, like Great Indian Festival and Big Billion Days, most of the fake websites will roll out at those days only. So make sure that you are using a trusted website. Don't fall for the trap, because at those times they will be telling you the offer ends in few minutes or few hours. So don't fall for those traps. Always check the website is trusted or not, whether it's a legitimate website or fake website. Use all this basic information to check it. Last but not least, check your bank statement and credit card statement frequently. If you are seeing any charges and you don't recognize those charges, tell your bank right away.